So guys, we're here at the shop now. Right here getting a new camper fixed up, making sure she's running nice and right. And I'm getting all the things nice and taken care of here. There's a lot of things, a lot of little problems I had with her, but we're making sure she's running right so she won't leave us on the road, hopefully. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit what's going on here. So I'm gonna turn this camera around, show you guys a little bit of the things we're getting done here and the things that did get done. So we'll turn this camera around, show you guys what that looks like. So right here we got the new radiator. The old one was having a leak, so we got that thing changed. We had to change the brake master cylinder and a few of the lines and stuff at the bottom, the brake lines, because it was all corroded and stuff like that, but that's getting taken care of. We got the front brakes and everything put on. Right now he went and got some shocks because we don't have no shocks, so we gotta get that taken care of. And all this nasty rusty looking thing underneath there, we gotta power blast all that and get that taken care of and undercooled and stuff like that. So that's gonna be next. But right now we're getting the shocks and stuff done, the brakes, all that stuff done on it, getting all these cleaned up, get this all undercooled in under here. Everything's been sitting here for quite a long time, so we gotta get all this stuff taken care of. I'm making sure everything underneath is right and all that stuff is good. We actually changed a few things under here also. We changed the rear differential bearings and stuff, and a few of the seals that was leaking, all that stuff back there that's wet. There was a little seal back there that we changed. And yeah, we gotta get all this taken care of underneath here. Get this all power blasted nice and clean. All that black stuff on top, that was when the bearings was messed up. It was throwing grease, so we got that fixed. And yeah, she's getting nice and fixed up now. Still got a few things under here we gotta take care of. Everything here, it's all that old grease that we got power blast. And she's coming along well. We still haven't touched the inside yet. We're making sure the engine and everything was running right, and everything sounds good on her, so that's a good thing. And then also have this rust here. I found this piece on the internet, this whole piece right here, so we're gonna order that and get that piece welded in there. But for now we're gonna protect it for a little bit so it doesn't get rusted anymore. But that's what it looks like on this side, and we're changing all this right now. The brake lines in the back was good, just at the front the connectors for the back and the front was all messed up, and the brake lines that connect to the calipers was messed up, so we had to get that fixed. Let me see if I can show y'all guys what that looks like. That's all the way at the bottom, so I'm not too sure if that's gonna be able to see that, but oh yeah, you can see a little bit. These two wires, that one and that one right there, had to replace the whole thing all the way up to the calipers, and I had to run it to the back there. But this thing is very dirty, and they get taken care of in the bottom, so we're gonna do that thing, make sure she's good, and get it done right, and then fix these little cancer spots at the bottom of this door here, and this thing will be nice and good. The body up top is no dents, everything is nice and good up there. But she will be getting taken care of, and stay tuned for that. I will show you guys all the things that I took apart and stuff like that. We definitely need to get some new lights. This one right here looks like a fish tank in there, so we got to replace those also. But we're gonna get to that, so stay tuned for all that. Make sure that guys turn on your notification bell. We're gonna be hooking this thing up nice and slowly, and making this thing look right.